Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Mega Mind Academy. This is a fresh question. This question is breaking the internet, confusing a lot of people because there's parentheses here, there's minus, and you'll be like, you'll be confused. How is this problem going to be solved? Let me show you how to solve it. Now, when you have a problem like this, 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6 will give us 2, 8 minus 6 will give us 2. 2 times 2 is what? 4. This is the wrong way that a lot of people use to solve this problem. And it's not correct. Let me tell you why it's not correct. There is an order of operation rule, which is BODMAS. If we use this rule, this is bracket. So bracket means we are using the rule and we are solving from left to right. So this rule says from here, start from here, from left. So solve what is inside the bracket first, before you divide, before you multiply, before you add, and then subtract. That is the rule. So if you are following that rule, this is what our answer will be. So first of all, you do this bracket. 8 minus 6 will give us 2. There's an invisible multiplication here. Why? Because if a number is close to parentheses, it means multiplication. So we put the multiplication sign here. So this is how it is going to look like. Now you have 8 minus 6 times 2. We have two operators here. And if you go to our order of operation, you will discover that multiplication comes before this subtraction. So let's multiply this first. 6 times 2 will give us 12. And you put your minus. 8 minus 12 will give you what? Minus 4. And this is your final answer. This is the correct answer to solve this kind of problem. Like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. We are going to be seeing more of this and more of grade 5 questions, so that I just have this passion to help our kids. A lot of children in grade 5, I've seen a lot of children in grade 5 that don't know how to solve maths problem. Most of them without calculator they can't solve. So with the help of videos and problems like this, you'll be able to grasp their maths problem correctly. Thanks for watching.